Hi everybody, it's Daniel again from Blue Spark Innovations. Welcome to Blue Spark Innovations Energy Academy. So in the previous video, in video 1, I introduced you to the basics of solar energy. This is video 2 and I'm here to talk about the myths of about solar energy. There are lots of belief people have about solar energy and there are 5 myths that I've chosen out of all of these so many numerous myths that I want to debunk today. Let's start with the first myth. Myth 1. Solar systems cannot function in cloudy weather. Well, the truth is that solar solar panels can function in cloudy weather. The simple fact is just that when the weather is cloudy and you have clouds in the atmosphere, the amount of rays from the sun is reduced, which means that the amount of sunlight that the solar panel can attract is reduced. It is not that the sun rays are totally blocked. The solar panels will actually see sun rays from the sun, but they will not be able to generate energy at optimum performance, but they will still function. So even when the weather is cloudy, solar panels, solar systems will still function, but they might just not function at their optimum peak. That is one. Myth 2. Solar system does not work in extreme temperatures. The fact is that this myth is actually wrong. Solar panels can work in extreme temperatures, extreme cold and extremely hot. The optimum temperature for solar panels to perform at its peak power is 25 degrees C, 25 degrees Celsius. However, we all live in different parts of the world. We have countries like Russia, Alaska, where temperatures can go as low as -10, -15, -20 degrees. And we have countries in temperate regions that temperatures can go high. For example, I live in Nigeria, and temperatures can reach as much as 43, 45 degrees Celsius. Now, the solar panels being manufactured today have a functioning range, a temperature range of between -40 degrees C to about 85 degrees Celsius. Of course, take note that as temperature increases, the efficiency of your solar panel reduces. But despite that, even if your temperature increases to 85 degrees Celsius, which I know there's no country in this world that have recorded that their temperature reached 85 degrees Celsius, the solar panels manufactured today at 85 degrees Celsius can still work or perform at 80% efficiency. So at 85 degrees Celsius, they will give out 80% of their peak power. So don't be afraid. At extreme temperatures, your solar panels will work just fine as long as they can take rays of light from the sun. That is it. Going solar, myth 3, going solar costs a lot. It is not true, and it is also true. Going solar is determined by what you need at your home. Sometimes someone could just need a small solar system to charge a phone and a laptop. And in that case, all you need is what? A solar generator. There are solar generators in the market on Amazon that you can get for $300. Even here in Nigeria, you can get some solar generators for 150,000 naira. So you might not have to go a complete full solar installation like 1 kVA, 2.5 kVA, 5 kVA, 10 kVA. No. It depends on what the load that you want to carry. So going solar might not cost a lot from the beginning. There are some people in some villages who live, all they just need is just to put on a bulb. And there are small solar systems that can just put on a simple bulb, which is not costly. So What determines the cost of your solar system is the amount of load that you want to put on it. And even if your load is as high as 5,000 watts, 10,000 watts, 20,000 watts, there are solar companies today that you can approach that can install solar system for you, and you'll be paying every month based on your budget. So solar systems don't cost a lot. Solar systems meet 4. Solar systems require constant maintenance. The answer here is yes and no. How do I mean yes? This is how I mean yes. If you have installed a solar system, we have different weathers all across the world. In the country I live, we have rain season, we have harmattan season, we have dry season. Now, during the raining season, rain falls, rain washes the solar panels on its own. You usually don't need to go wash or clean the solar panels throughout those 4-5 months of raining. But when it comes to dry season, or the harmattan, when it is hazy and dust is being blown, yes, dust settles on the surface of the solar panels, you need to clean. So that is the major maintenance that will just come once in a while. In a year, sometimes your maintenance might not just be like 2-3 times when it comes to general maintenance. Now, maintenance, when it comes to the strength or how good the product is, some companies today, when they manufacture batteries, inverters, solar panels, they give you warranty on solar panels. Take for example, solar panels being manufactured today have a lifespan of about between 12 to 20 years. If the solar panels are well installed by a good installer, your solar panels can last up to 18 years. Your batteries, depending on the type of battery you're using, maybe it is lithium ion, or you're using tubular batteries, or you are using gel, some batteries can last you up to 6-7 years, depending on the maintenance, if you know how to use your solar system well. So it's a yes and it's a no answer. If the solar system is installed well, your maintenance time, the time between maintenance will be very, very long. So it's a yes and no answer, depending on the type of material you're using and the type of installation that was done. If it's done by a good professional, and the type of materials that you are using. And lastly, myth 5, solar energy is not reliable. Solar energy is reliable. The sun comes out every day. Is that not so? Yeah, you have rays of light every day. So once the solar panel sees rays of light, especially when you are using monocrystalline solar panels, in subsequent videos I'll tell you the type of solar panels we have. They can absorb light. Once they see light from the sun, they begin to absorb light and they charge your battery bank. And once they can charge your battery bank full, you can use your battery bank throughout the period that you want to use it. Just make sure that your solar system is installed by a good solar installer that knows what he or she is doing. Solar systems, solar energy is very, very, very reliable. So those are the 5 myths about solar energy. As I do more videos, I'll be talking about more of the myths of solar energy, but these are the basic 5 myths of solar energy. I hope I have enlightened you, and I hope you've gotten more information about solar energy. So the next video, video 3, will now begin to go in depth about solar energy. We'll be talking about load analysis and energy budgeting, how you can actually carry out a load analysis either as an individual that you want to install solar system in your house, or as a solar installer, so that when an installer comes to your house, when the person is saying this and that, you'll be able to understand what the person is doing. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to like the video and give us a thumbs up for the video. Subscribe to our channel. I remain Daniel from Blue Spark Innovations. You guys have a wonderful time.